YouTube, it's Erin, and I am the Handbag Housewife, and I'm back again with another video. Today's video is going to be a quick unboxing video, and what I'm unboxing came all the way from Australia, and I'm super excited to show you, because what's inside this thin little box is going to make my Saint Laurent collage bag in the color Sharon Blue or Sharon Blue even better than she already is, which seems hard to do because this bag is pretty fabulous already. Let me give you a quick spin, and also let me tell you that for some reason this bag squeaks. You hear that? I'm not sure why it squeaks, but it has to do with the metal on metal here. My other two collage bags do not squeak. If you have any tips besides WD-40, please let me know. I'm a little bit nervous to put WD-40 on the metal parts of the bag because I'm afraid it would leave a stain on the leather portions. So if you have any ideas, let me know. I thought I fixed it when I sprayed the bag down with Colonel Carbon Pro. That leaves almost oily feeling if you get any on your fingers, and so I went ahead and just left it on the metal. The bag stopped squeaking, but now that it's been a while, it started squeaking again. So let me give you a quick spin move of this beautiful bag so you can appreciate her in all her glory. I have several videos on the collage bag, and I will link my Saint Laurent / YSL playlist down in the description box should you want to watch more about the collage bag or any of my Saint Laurent bags. Saint Laurent, I think, is my favorite luxury designer at this point. I have more bags by Saint Laurent than any other luxury designer, I think. Pretty darn sure. I kind of went crazy in the past couple months and added several to my collection, which if you haven't caught up on all those videos, those are in that playlist that I'm linking below. So let's go ahead and open this box. Let me see if I can cover up my information. As you can see here, this is from M Boutique Australia. This is a company I found quite a while back, and I really like it. I have this company's products in many of my bags, including my Longchamp extra small bags, my Chanel bag, my Gucci Marmont camera bag. I'm trying to think of some of the other ones. I had them for my Pochette Métis before I sold that bag. I have had them for my collage bags that I already have. And so I went ahead and contacted them because in the past when I did a video, they reached out to me because I tagged them on Instagram and asked if they could post my video on their page. And of course I said yes. And we got into a conversation on Instagram DM, and it ended up that we worked together to create a base shaper for my Longchamp extra small bags. And now they have those on their website. So since then, I haven't really had much contact with them, but when I got the Sharon Blue collage bag, I reached out and said, hey, is there any chance you'd want to send me a base shaper for this bag, and I will do a video showing how it fits? And they said, yes, what color do you want? So I ordered this back on the Monday after Black Friday, so that would be Cyber Monday. And things take a while to get here from Australia, which is okay. The bag still has a lot of structure, so I did use it once without anything in it. But I do love these inserts to keep my bag nice and firm from the side. So as you can see, it comes packaged very nicely. And I have a little coupon code for my next purchase. Let me see if I can get that to focus. It might even work for you if you want to give this company a try. If not, I think if it's your first purchase, you can get a discount by signing up for emails. I would just Google M Boutique Australia promo codes, and I think you'll find one. I think I've done that in the past. I sure am thinking a lot this morning. So I requested navy blue because the bag is blue. The inside of the collage bags are black. And so I like to try to sort of coordinate with the outside of the bag to make it brighter when I look inside the bag so I can see a little better. This isn't going to be a whole lot brighter, but I think it will help. So the way that M Boutique does their base shapers is they wrap them in like a faux pebbled leather, and I love that. They are kind of sealed on the end, and there are no sharp corners to poke on your bag. I've gotten some of these from, I don't know how to pronounce it. It's like Havre, and I can't even remember the whole name, but there's a company in the United Kingdom that does base shapers and stickers for your hardware, and I like their stickers, but I do not like their base shapers. They came and it was basically cardboard with tape around it, and I thought I could do that myself. But these are thicker and they feel good, and they're really nice. Like, having it in the base of my Chanel medium large bag is awesome. So if I'm willing to put it in my Chanel bag, then that's saying something. So let's go ahead and do a color comparison real quick. As you can see, it is darker blue than the Chiron blue, but I knew that that would be the case. Actually, before I pop these in, let me just show you. Without them, the base is squishy. You can see I don't want to like really squish it, but when you look at these bags on the pre-loved market, they do lose their shape a lot. So this bag, of course, hasn't lost its shape at all yet, and that's what I want to preserve. I did buy my Rouge Legion collage bag from the pre-loved market, and I would say that it may have had a tiny bit of loss of shape, but I feel like the inserts brought it back. I mean, they brought it back into the shape that it was supposed to have. Another cool thing about M Boutique Australia is if you have a bag that you want a base shaper for, they will make it for you if you provide them the measurements. So you're not limited to what they have, but they won't put them on their website until they actually have that bag in their possession. So they're a lot like some of the bag organizer companies where they won't make an organizer until they have the bag. Like I think Samorga does that, as well as many others. Green Tag Inserts does that. I'm trying to think. Off the top of my head, those are the two that stick out. So now I have the insert in the bag, and you can see it does brighten up the interior. The back compartment of this bag, it's hard to see inside, but you can see that it's down there too. It basically spreads the bag. So look, now when I squeeze, it does not pinch in at all. Now, you know that I love bag organizers, and that has not changed, but I don't think you need a bag organizer for this bag. And the reason is because it is a small bag and it already has one compartment, two compartments, a slip pocket, and a zipper pocket. So why do you need an organizer other than to maybe keep the inside of your bag clean? I don't think you need one. I mean, you can buy them for this bag, but I don't think you need one, especially with the inside of the bag being black. That gives you a little bit more comfort if something were to get on the inside of your bag, that you could probably clean it off. It's not going to leave a stain that you can see, unless perhaps you get, I don't know, makeup or something on the inside. But that's why I use pouches inside my bag, to prevent makeup stains on the inside. So now I've got the insert in the bag. I think she looks fantastic. She is complete. Thank you so much, M Boutique, for sending me this insert. I really, really like it. I should say for sending me these inserts, because it is a two-piece set. They are fantastic, just like all of the other products that I have gotten from you in the past. If you like this video, please give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, what are you waiting for? Do it, and ring the notification bell so that you are notified of future exciting content such as this. Also, go find me on Instagram. The name there is the same. It's the @ then the Handbag Housewife, all lowercase. You can DM me there, or you can email me at thehandbaghousewife@gmail.com. If I don't hear from you, I hope to see you again real soon. Take care and have a fabulous day. Bye.